Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to show you exactly how to start an LLC using Tailor Brands step by step, and you can literally get it done in under 10 minutes. If you are a freelancer, small business owner or side hustler, forming an LLC is one of the best way to protect yourself and look professional. Tailor Brands makes the process super easy, so let's jump right into it. So what actually is Tailor Brands? So if you are never heard of Tailor Brands, they are an all-in-one business builders for entrepreneurs. They help you form your LLC, but they also offer branding tools, logo design, and simple website builder, business email, and many more, all under one dashboard. So instead of piecing everything together yourself, you can handle your LLC and brand identity all in one place. So let's go to the Tailor Brands website. So first head over, you just need to be search tailorbrands.com, and then you will get this kind of an interface on your desktop. On the home page you will see an options to start LLC, so go ahead and click that. So here you can see this is the LL formation. We make your business official. You just need to be click over here. Once you click over here, then here you just need to be choose your LLC state. So here enter your business name and state. Next you will enter the name you want your LLC. Make sure it is a unique and not already taken in your state. So I will choose my state, that will be California, and then click to the get started. Once I click over here, then they will ask for business name. So I will enter a name that is totally unique and not already taken in our state. Then choose the state where you want to register your LLC. I already did it. Then here I will provide the name. We are digital. This will be my LLC registered business name, and then click to the check availability. And here great news, we almost pictured it already. We are digital, it already available, and it is too much unique. Then choose the state. Like most people choose the state where they lived and do business. Tailor Brands will automatically check availability and make sure your name meets your state's requirements. Now you just need to click over here to the next one. So click over to the next, it will redirect you to the next page where they will ask simple business question. After you pick your name, Tailor Brands will ask you few easy question like what your business industry. Like here you can see what stage we are digital currently in. Choose the one that best describe your business. So here we can choose it like just an idea, then click to the next. Then you can choose what are you planning to launch. We are digital, you can choose it as soon as possible, or you can go with in a few weeks. Like here you will have couple of options like what do you sell. So here as soon as possible, just click this one, just next. And here like don't take any stress, this question is super basic and help Tailor Brands handle your paperwork correctly. So here what's with digital industry, you just need to be type your industry. It could be e-commerce, and then what does we are digital offer, it could be a physical goods. Then click to the next. And here are you planning to hire employees in the upcoming year? Not sure, I am not sure to hire anyone yet. Just click to the next. And here where will we are digital operate from, give a postal code. I can say it will be online. Then click to the escape. And there what else you're planning to do your business LLC. Then click or type your own. I will click website, logo, in, then domain, trademark, and just click to the next. And here what did you already do, we are digital, I did nothing, none of above. Just click to the next. And then they will ask you to how did you discover Tailor Brands. I can say I know from them from the YouTube. I'll click to the next. And based on your answer, let us build your free Tailor business plan. So I want a business plan, I don't need any business plan. I'll just click to the okay, there is I will go with this one, I want a business plan. Then next. And here you just need to create account, or you can go with the Google, it is the easiest way. I will click on here, and here I will choose my email address, and then I'll click to the continue, and then actually you can see it will take a couple of minutes and it will redirect us to the dashboard. So here just click to this one and choose this website, you continue, and here you just need to provide your address, first name, last name, and then you just need to provide your number, and your next will be available. So I will going to give a number, John Hanson, and give a number. So give me California number. So I will get a number from that place, and then I will apply it here. Just copy this one, or you can search your business over that place. So here when you paste your number, it will give you the option to the next. Then when you click to the next, you will get the option to choose your LLC package. So here let's go back to the Tailor Brand again and see their pricing. So this is my account. So now it's time to pick your formation package. Tailor Brands usually offers a few tiers. Here's the quick run down. Like basic LLC formations covers all the essential to file your LLC with your estate. Then Standard and Pro include extras like an operating agreement and an EIN tax ID, which you need to open a business bank account and pay taxes. Then the premium one add things like expedited filing, priority support, a logo maker, and other branding tools. If you just want the basic, the starter plan works fine, but if you don't want to deal with the IRS yourself, getting an in through Tailor Brand and save times. We are going to adding branding and extras. One thing that makes Tailor Brands unique is they help you handle branding tool like designing a logo, branding, or building a simple website, and setting up a business email. If you want your new business to look legit online right away, you can add this during checkout or skip them for now. Totally optional, but nice to have. So let's give you the review and checkout. Once you have chosen your package and any extras, just review your order. Tailor Brand shows you the estate filing fee, their service fee, and any add-ons. No hidden charges. Then fill out your payment info, hit submit, and you are done. So now after you pay, what will happen? So Tailor Brands handles everything behind the scene. They will prepare and fill your articles of organization with your estate. Depending on where you live, this can take a few days to a few weeks, but you don't have to lift a finger. Once your LLC is approved, you will get your official documents by emails, and you are ready to open a bank account, sign contracts, and run your business legally. And that's it. You just formed an LLC in under 10 minutes with Tailor Brands. Remember, keep your business and professional finance separate. Open a business bank account as soon as you get your paperwork. Use your IN when you need to pay taxes or hire employees, and check your estate's return for annual reports or renewals. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it thumbs up, subscribe for more small business guides, and drop a comment if you have any questions about forming an LLC with Tailor Brands. I always reply. I put my favorite Tailor Brands link in the description if you want to check them out and get started today. Thanks for watching, and good luck launching your new business.